Hi, I'm Chris and I am the director of GoMortgage. We are based in the Northwest, but we cover the whole of the UK. So we've got clients from the north of Scotland all the way down to Cornwall and the whole width of the country. We have brokers across the country and we have an admin team also across the country. We specialise in mortgages and protection. So whether you're a first-time buyer, you're looking to remortgage, or you want to grow a buy-to-let portfolio, we can help you. We also have brokers which are experts in insurance. So again, anything from simple life cover, critical illness cover, income protection, or family income benefit, we can help you. One of the things that clients often ask us is, do we need to be local and do we need to be able to come to the office? And the answer is no. We've got clients all over the UK and we often do appointments via Zoom, Teams, we can liaise via phone and email, and all our clients are on our mortgage portal. So being local isn't necessary. We can do everything we can face-to-face via a video call. All the brokers at GoMortgage are passionate about the job and go the extra mile for the client. So if you need some help with your mortgage or your protection, please feel free to drop us an email via admin@gomortgage.co.uk or get in touch through our social media, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.